your name?
Say how was it go?
Justine. Justina Tyler.
What?
That's gross.
What else? I think you want to hear the longest part? Okay, I'll do the long one. Hold on.
Do a big real gross one so you feel that.
You want me to do another one?
Oh,
You look like a cat trying to throw up. Enough of that. I want to see what it sounds like.